Come on everybody, this is Stacy. Today let me show you one of our most popular product, ultrathin light box. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the link below the video to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for growing your business. Let's first take a look at the frame. You see it? It's only as thick as a phone. No need to worry about being too heavy. This is the first advantage. Second, it only takes a second to put the poster in and change. Super simple and convenient, right? Now look at this advertisement. So brighter, better than an LCD TV. We also have different sizes from the A1 to A4. The frame color can be black or silver. Tempered glass panel, rounded and low power consumption. What do you think of getting one to grow your business? No matter what your business is, I believe LC can help you. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that for us right now and hit the like button. See you next time.